Hello, everybody. It's Bob Anderson, and this is January 24th, 2023. I'm trying to keep keep the trades coming while I still can. I don't know. This is about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I think about probably 2 o'clock or so. I happen to scroll into Facebook. My business that I run is on Facebook, so I get customers that contact me through Facebook a lot. Anyways, when scrolling through there, I went in and I saw in the Apex Facebook page there was just a bunch of people in there just whining and complaining about blowing accounts and losing money and all that kind of stuff. Which, I mean, I get it, you know. I get it. This is a very frustrating business. I think I heard a quote today. The quote was, "This is the hardest easy money to make," or something like that. Shoot, something along those lines. And that's exactly what trading is. Trading is very difficult. But anyways, I took 2 trades in the ES today. 1 win, 1 loss, no ties. The reason I'm doing this video is I'm gonna show you how I managed the loss, so that I at least walked away with $350 today. And of course, I want to show you the win, but the ES was tough today. I don't know what instruments these people were trading that were blowing up their accounts today, but I did get a message from somebody today asking me about some oil trades. And I mean, I glanced through the oil chart. I don't even think I saw any trades. I know I didn't take any. So let me show you my 2 ES trades. It's very important that I show you these ES trades so you can see why I took them. And then you can see why I shut myself out of one for a 1.5 loss versus, say, 3 points or whatever. Okay, so here we go. This is the ES, yay! And I'm trying to get this stupid tripod to work that I can't stand. I am getting my car back today, so I'll have my other tripod back. I'll have my other tripod back. By the way, they didn't fix my car. They have no idea what they did when they went to do the warranty work, but they screwed up my car. Anyways. So they're giving it back to me not fixed, and then they're going to try to figure it out later. Long story. Anyways, this is the ES going into the open. So over here is about 8:30 or so. So we're kind of just going sideways. I mean, that's some big time sideways garbage there. Holy cow. And then you had the open, which is right here at 9:30, pushed down, pushed up, pushed down, pushed up. And granted, remember, I don't start looking at anything until at least after 9:45. Well, there happened to also be news at 9:45 today too. That's what caused this big candle right here. Okay, and then we shot up through the 5-minute red line. And we did a high pivot, lower high, and we cleared. And I mean, I almost didn't take this, but we cleared the bottom of that gold line by 1 tick. We actually penetrated the gold line. Price went down to 20.5, and the gold line was at 27.5. We penetrated it by 1 tick. And I took the long off the break of this candle. I'm not a big fan of that per se, because that's a large candle. Let's see what this candle was. 20 and a half, and that was 24. So that's 3.5 point deep candle. Okay, I'm not a big fan of that, but I did take it. It's predominantly because it was so early in the morning. I never would have taken that later. So anyways, entered long right there at 24 and a quarter. Grabbed my stop, threw it underneath the bottom of this candle, which is 22. So I'm at 24 and a quarter. I'm risking about 2.25 points. And then wham, we got my 5 points in about 3 minutes. And that was my 5 points, and that was 2 contracts. So there's my $500. And I'm pretty excited right there. You know, holy cow. And, you know, we were breaking up outside of all this consolidation area. So I'm thinking, oh my God, we might have a good day today. Nope. Slams back through, comes back through the 5 minute, 5 minute open. And I'm like, okay, well, maybe we're going to go down low. Maybe we're going to go south. So we did start going south. Except when we got into this, when we did go south, ran back up. Thank God this candle closed above my gold line, so I didn't get a fake entry into here. That short there, or I could have been, if this candle right here had been down in here, then I would have been playing it for a short, because see, we had a lower low, higher low, higher low, higher low. See that? I mean, the pullback was perfect. It was just too deep. So anyways, it crossed back over that red line again. Now I'm starting to lose confidence. Okay? Just being honest. I'm starting to lose confidence in what's going on here, because we're not staying consistent. We appear to just be expanding our range, and we pull back from this pivot high, which did break these pivots, did break this big pivot over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, back into my red line and my gold line, and I thought, okay, I'm gonna take that long. Didn't break it there, so now my long is there. Boom, there I am. 20 and a quarter, long 20 and a quarter, 2 contracts. It ran up to 21, so it went up three quarters, 3 ticks, and then it rolled back over, and I said, oh hell no. And I closed out. As this thing started rolling over, I just pushed close, and I got out at a 1.5 loss. And I was correct in that, because it kept right on going. Why did I just close it out and not even let it go through the bottom of this candle? Because the reality of it is, with that deep of a pullback, when this thing rolled up, it should have just kept right on running, and it didn't. The mere fact that this candle right here opened, and from the moment it opened, it went down, nope. I closed it out. I'd rather take the small loss than take a then let the trade go. I mean, let's go back over here for just a second so you guys can recognize what I'm talking about. Okay, down, 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 back up. When this candle right here opened, it just kept right on going green. See that? That's what you want to see. You want to see the next candle be the confirmation of what it is you're trying to do. This candle after your entry candle, that's really like the most important one, as long as your entry candle doesn't fail on you. Let's see if I got time here. Let me see if we can look at yesterday's trades. See, these are unscripted videos, folks. Here we go. Let's look at yesterday's trades just so we can understand. When this candle opened right here, it ticked down one and then gone. When this candle, that was my entry candle, rolled up, I mean, at this point, who cares? We're so far up. When this candle here, this is my entry candle, that one just took off immediately itself. So, you know, as long as this one didn't start getting all hairy, scary down here, boom. I mean, that's what trading on an edge is about. It's about putting yourself in a situation where you're moving with the big sharks. I talk about that over and over again. You're moving with the big sharks. If you don't feel the sharks bringing you to your destination, then get out. You know, don't use hopium. Hopium is taking a trade and hoping it works. In my continuation trade, I don't want to hope it works. It either goes and works for me or I'm out. And that's exactly what trade number 1 did for me today. And that's not what trade number 2 did for me today, and I was out. And guess what? I walked away at that point. Go back and look at those charts later. Holy cow. Smartest thing I did, because it just turned into garbage. Anyways, I had a day last week. I forgot to talk about this. Just to give you guys an example. I had a day last week where I lost 3 trades. And I had 1 win. In that 1 win, with those 3 trades, I still made $180 on 1 contract. And it's because you get out of the trades that aren't going to work. So if you can have 3 losses and 1 win and still make $180 a contract, then you're probably watching the price action of those candles pretty good. And you know what you're expecting when you get into that trade. And if it happens, great. Ride the wave. If it doesn't happen, get out. That's my trading video for today. That's why I end all these videos saying the same thing. Keep your stops tight. It's not about wins and losses. It's about P&Ls. Talk to you later. Bye.